Hi guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, welcome back to my page, Chichi Lifestyle. Please, if you're coming across my page for the first time, please help me subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. So in this my channel, I'll be showing my lifestyle, whatever I do, and my activities, everything I do. So this is today's. I'm trying to arrange to dress my bed. Is it dress or arrange? Anyone share. So I'm trying to do the doing. So this is me folding my wrappers. I'm folding the wrappers. You know, my children, they just finish sleeping and everybody just wake up. Anyway, they have gone to school. So whenever they went to school, it's just my duty to be doing everything. Yes. But if they are at home, they'll be the one to be doing it. So for now, I think it's right for me to do it. So doing the cleaning, yes. The cleaning is really cleaning. So see me now. I'm going to remove everything. This is how my day is going. I know some people will come after me. This, that. Please, I beg you, people should not come here too. Please. You know how Nigeria is now. Nigeria is Nigerian everybody now. Yeah, so I try to use this thing to tie my waist. It's like my inner wear is showing at the back, so I don't want people to see my inner. So I'm trying to cover it up. Yes, so say that they say our temple is our body is the temple of the Lord. So I don't want anyone to see what I'm putting on inside there. Understand? So I'm putting the bed sheet. Is this the new bed sheet or the old? I don't know. It's like no, I didn't change the bed sheet. This is the one that is there before. So I'm trying to is it bedspread, right? Yeah, I'm trying to spread it, to put it, to arrange it, to gather it very well. The kunajinaba. So yenzukuma, I have finished dressing it. Yeah, I've finished now dressing the thing. Look at how, oh my god. I know some people will say, are you staying in one room? Are you this? Are you that? Yes, so my sister, my brother, waiting I will do now. Anything life give you now, you use it. If life give you sugar, use it and drink garri, or use it and drink tea. If life give you honey, you lick. If life give you honey, you lick honey, or you lick, use it and lick, and do whatever you want to do with it. If life give you lemon, you use it and do lemon juice. So that is life for you. No go there, suffer yourself. Don't go and be stressing yourself. This life na JJ. Life na JJ, my sister, my brother. Yes, I don't have today. Maybe tomorrow I will get. I don't get today. Tomorrow I will get. Now, so I don't know. I don't want anybody to impress me. I don't like people impressing me. Yes, what I have, I know I'm working on it. I know this is my handle. I'm doing this, and I know very soon, and I know God will change my story, and I know God will change my situation. You understand? So let anybody come after me that this. Yes, so say whatever I want to say and see. So this is me. I'm trying to show you my room. Let's say my children's room. Let's say our room. Yes, our room. Yes, it is our room. Understand? Please, if you are coming across this page for the first time, please, you can help me and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, you can support me by subscribing. Yes, you can support me by subscribing. Please, and please. So you can also help me by sharing my video. By sharing the video, the other people will be getting and will see the video, and they will like the video, and they will also subscribe. Please help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. By subscribing, please. I'm building this page up, and you can also help me build it up by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching. Please, God bless you, and also remain blessed. Please remain blessed and remain blessed. Thanks everyone for your comment. Thank you. Please share it.